everyone, so today we're gonna make Dabai fried rice. Dabai here is actually a Sarawakian local olive, which is this one here. So we can use it to fry rice if we have too much of it. The main ingredients that we'll need are some fried anchovies, and here's about 3 tablespoons of salted Sarawakian olive, which is also known as Dabai, about 3 tablespoons of grinded anchovies, some chopped chilies, 1 medium onion, finely chopped cooked rice to fry the rice. Okay, so here in the frying wok, we need to heat up about 2 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is heated up, we can insert our chopped onions. Give it a good stir. Right, we need to stir fry the onion until they are slightly brown. Then only we start inserting the other ingredients. Okay, so now the onion has browned. Our next ingredient would be our chopped chilies. So you can insert either all or just half of it and leave some for the garnishing. So if you'd like it spicy, you can use about 2 to 3 chili padis, or else you can just use 1 or 2. Right, so here I'll just put in like half the amount. Give it a good stir. Now next is our grinded anchovies. Pour all in. Give it a good stir until you see that the anchovies has started bubbling up like this and it has turned slightly brown. So we can insert our Sarawakian olive, which is our dabai. So this is our dabai here. Chuck them all in, stir fry them until it has that buttery flavor and oily texture coming out from the dabai. Then only we can put our rice in. So at this point we just have to continue frying it until it is fragrant. Our next thing to do is we have to spread all the dabai out to give way to the rice to go into the wok. So here we'll just use about 4 bowls of rice. Now we give them a good stir. Just make sure that they are well combined. Okay, so here's our dabai fried rice. We'll need to stir fry until they have slightly a little bit of charred smell. And since our dabai is salted and we have our anchovies, grinded anchovies in there earlier, so we just need to add on about a pinch of salt, a pinch or 2 of salt to taste. Make sure that you stir them nicely to make sure that all the salt are evenly distributed into the fried rice. Right, so that's about it. So now we can just turn the stove off and top them with some fried anchovies and some cucumbers perhaps to eat them for either breakfast, lunch or dinner.